y'all ask to see if y'all from the old school. Y'all ready?
Oh, okay. This one for J Love though.
Alright, check.
This one for J Love.
This for J Love?
Yeah.
Alright, look, we're gonna do a little old school slogan, right? If you know it, all you gotta do is sing along.
That's if your tongue is strong.
If your tongue is strong. If you don't know it, fuck it, act like you do. You done cheated off 1 or 2 tests in your motherfucking day. Don't even act like you did. Y'all think y'all ready for this? I said, y'all think y'all ready for this? Well, check it out. The first one is gonna be easy. And it goes a little something like this. We don't cause trouble, we don't bother nobody with